strike there. Now I'm gonna counter. 1, 2, 3, 4. The power of the strike is this one. If you go here, I will not be able to deliver that powerful strike because I'm cramped.
Yeah.
So if you want to strike, you need to have this one. That is this one. 2. If I have a distance, that allows me to have a powerful strike. 3. I come back. 4. I strike. I have a distance, meaning I can produce that powerful strike. Again, it's always full body motion. 5.